Breaking news. CEO and founder of the AD Technology arranged a meeting to explain the importance of each programming language, but he hasn't arrived at the headquarters to attend the meeting. Everybody thinks that he might be sleeping as usual. The meeting starts in 15 minutes and he needs to do some magic in order to arrive at the headquarters. Let's see, will he be coming at least after the end of the meeting?
Nothing but a test for my brethren, for my loved ones and my element. This be my throne, this my reign, I'm the king. This is what I represent, I am destined to win. Forgive me for my sins as I walk through the rally. This war about to begin as I
Hey, thank you, Mr. Dr. Strange. Hello viewers, welcome to Automated Dude. I'm Ashwin, today.
Hey dude, can I ask you a doubt?
Yeah, ask me, doubts are always good.
Which programming language is best? Which programming language should I learn? Which topic should I pick up in coding to get a high salary job?
Listen viewers, I'm going to clear all your which doubts today. So let's start the video. First off all, we have many programming languages and we have a doubt which is best. To clear that, let's consider a chocolate as an example. We all have eaten chocolates and we know that there are not only one company chocolate, thousands are there, but each chocolate has a different taste and different people like different chocolates. That is, everyone in this world does not eat just one chocolate. Some people love dairy milk, some love Milky Bar and some love Snickers, etc. Just like that, we have many programming languages. Like chocolates, all programming languages are made for communicating with computer and made by different companies and different people. The difference is just like chocolates, different people use different programming languages regarding their category of coding. For example, if we want to create a Hello World program and if we use C++, it requires 4 lines of code. In case of Java it is 3 lines of code. But if we use Python it takes just 1 line only. This shows that Python is easy and it is high level language, that is, it is understandable for us. If you are a beginner in coding, I would recommend you to learn Python because it is easy and understandable. Once if you finish learning Python, you can learn any other programming language in a short period of time, since all programming languages have the same concept in coding. So, is that all? No, Python is used in AI, data analytics and visualization, applications, back-end development, etc. This doesn't mean that Python can only perform these things. In some cases we use other programming languages. For example, Python is easy, but if we are creating a complex calculator program, it will require complex coding in Python. In such cases we use C++, so it will be easy. We also use C++ in game development. Tesla cars were built in Python first, but later it was changed to C++ and C for speed and direct hardware access. Since Python and C++ have difference in speed in milliseconds, because when it comes to electric cars, quick and flexible reactions are required during an accident. So even a millisecond is important. Just like that, Java is used in many applications, PHP is used in back-end development, and each and every programming language is used in specific topics even if they can perform everything. When it comes to salary-based jobs, each and every job has its own dignity. This means, if you are good at something, you will get a reward for it. You can learn any programming language and make use of it in real life, you will get a reward for sure. If you go for a high-paid job without interest and mastering, it is useless and you won't succeed. So the next time if you think of high-paid jobs, go for these. Last but not the least, I would like to tell you something. If you go for money and do something, you won't get the reward. Instead, do what you are interested in and master it. You will get a high reward for sure. So I hope this video is useful to you, explaining the importance of each and every programming language. We cannot say any specific programming language is best or worst. It depends on the person's category of coding and usage and interest. If you have enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share to your friends, and subscribe and click the bell icon to all to get notified the next time when I upload a new video. That is all for today guys. See you in next video. Goodbye.